Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I will be making a beautiful home sign for fall, even if you don't see the O. I'm gonna use this beautiful letters from Walmart, the H, M, and E from Walmart. And also I'm gonna use 2 of these steering sticks from Walmart and lots of paint. I have 3 of this paints, white paint from Walmart. I'm gonna have this burnt umber, but I won't use it. And also I will use this caramel color from Walmart. That to make a dry brush effect. So let's get started. First we're gonna take our steering sticks and we're gonna grab our letters and we're gonna measure that steering stick in half, but not counting the handle part of the steering stick. We're gonna cut them, and as you can see, I'm cutting the steering part or the handle part of the steering stick. We're gonna measure 4 of those, well, 3. But we're gonna use 4 because you will end up with 4. And now we're gonna hot glue them, the letters, to the steering sticks in the center, just like that. We're gonna glue all of them to the steering sticks, and then we're gonna clean the excess glue we get. I'm using this dowel, but you can use whatever you have at hand. Just be sure to clean up all the excess. I'm gonna continue adding my letters to my steering sticks like so, and cleaning all the excess glue like that, just like that. As you can see, I'm cleaning the excess, and I'm gonna add my M, and then we're gonna start painting our beautiful letters. Cleaning up the excess as I did before. And now they're ready to start painting. Now we're gonna take our letters and we're gonna grab our white paint, lots of it, and we're gonna give them a good coat of white paint. Completely. Front and back on all the sides of your letter. You need to paint all of it with a good coat. We're not gonna give it more than 1 coat. 1 coat it's more than enough, but you have to be sure that it's all covered. Like I'm doing right now, I'm just covering all the edges. I'm covering all of it, front and back. When you have all of them painted like mine's, they are white, you're gonna grab your caramel color and your brush, and you're gonna start dry brushing your letters like that. This is to your liking. You can add as much or as little as you want, and you can use the burnt umber that I showed you a little bit earlier to make this dry brushing, but I decided on the caramel color. I prefer that one. And you're gonna give that dry brushing effect to all of your letter and the stand like that until you have the color that you want on them. And I'm liking the color on that E, so I'm gonna repeat that dry brushing effect on my other letters. So continue painting them, giving them that beautiful effect, just like that. Until everything is dry brushed. You see that I'm adding a little bit more like the E, and this is how they look. Now I'm giving it a little bit more paint, and that will be it. Let me show you how they turned out. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, I'm using a bigger pumpkin as an O. You can use another type of pumpkin, like the one I'm going to show you now. You can use this type of pumpkin, but if you find a bigger one, it will be better, as a big O that it needs. But I decided I'm going to use that one, and this is how it looks. I love how it turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.